Stop scrolling, put down your coffee, look at your screen. Are you tired? Tired of staring at a blank page? Tired of writing content just to post it on your social accounts? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, or something else entirely? We've all been there. It's 2 a.m. You have to post something. Your audience is waiting. Your engagement is dropping, but the words just won't come. You type, you delete, you type again. Delete again. Hours wasted, days lost, and for what? A mediocre caption? A forgettable post? What if I told you there's a way to never struggle with content again? What if I told you that for less than the price of a pizza, you could have an AI assistant that writes all your social media content for you? I'm talking ready to post. Copy, paste, done. That changes today. What is going on, everyone? Wolver here. Today, we're not talking about username search. We're not talking about OSINT. Today, we're talking about something that affects every single one of us. Content. Content is king. Content is currency. Content is how you build an audience, how you grow a business, how you make money online. But creating content, that's the hard part. I built something that destroys that barrier forever. It's called SocialAi. And by the end of this video, you will have access to the most powerful AI content creation tool on the market. A tool that runs right in your browser. A tool that costs less than $10. A tool that will transform the way you create content forever. Let's dive in. Let's be real for a second. You want to grow on Instagram? You need to post daily. You want to build on YouTube? You need scripts. You want to dominate LinkedIn? You need professional posts. You want to blow up on TikTok? You need catchy hooks. That's hours of work every single day. And if you're a business owner, a freelancer, someone trying to build a personal brand, you don't have hours. You have clients, you have products, you have a life. So what happens? You burn out, you give up, your accounts die a slow death of neglect. I've seen it 1,000 times. Talented people, great products, amazing ideas, all failing because they couldn't keep up with the content grind. Maybe that's you right now. Maybe you're watching this video because you're tired. Tired of the struggle. Tired of the burnout. I get it. I've been there. That's exactly why I built SocialAi. Here it is. The solution to all your content problems. SocialAi. An AI-powered content generation tool that runs right in your browser. No downloads, no installations, no complicated setup. Just open the website and start creating. Here's how simple it is. You go to the website, you choose what you need, Instagram captions, Facebook posts, YouTube video ideas, YouTube scripts, LinkedIn articles, Twitter threads, TikTok hooks, product descriptions, email newsletters, blog post ideas. Let's say you want an Instagram caption, you type fitness motivation post about never giving up. Boom. The AI fires back with a complete, ready-to-post caption. Hashtags included, emoji placement optimized, engagement hooks embedded. You copy, you paste, you're done. That's it. That's the whole process. 10 seconds. Maybe less. But wait, it gets better. SocialAi doesn't just write captions. It's a complete content creation suite. Need a YouTube script? Done. Full script. Introduction. Main points. Call to action. All formatted and ready to read. Need LinkedIn content? Done. Professional tone. Industry keywords. Engagement optimized. Need Twitter threads? Done. Up to 10 tweets. Hook in the first tweet. Value in the middle. CTA at the end. Instagram Reel scripts. TikTok video ideas. Product launch posts. Motivational quotes. Educational carousels. Behind the scenes captions. Sales post templates. Webinar promotions. Podcast episode descriptions. Email subject lines. And more. Every single content type you could ever need. All in one place. All generated in seconds. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, open the website. In 15 minutes, you've generated an entire week of content. Instagram posts, done. YouTube ideas, done. LinkedIn articles, done. Twitter threads, done. Your entire content calendar. Finished before breakfast. What would that be worth to you? Here's where it gets crazy. ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. Jasper AI, $49 a month. Copy.ai, $36 a month. Writesonic, $19 a month. And SocialAi, $9. $9, 1 month. Unlimited content generation. Let that sink in. For the price of 2 coffees at Starbucks, you get an entire month of AI-powered content creation. No limits, no restrictions. Generate as much as you want. $9 divided by 30 days. That's 30 cents per day. 30 cents. Less than a penny per piece of content if you create just 10 posts a day. The value is absolutely insane. And here's the best part. I'm doing something special for this launch. The first 5 people who DM me on Telegram get a free license key for 1 month. Free. No catch, no credit card, just free access to SocialAi for 30 days. 5 people, that's it. So if you're watching this video when it drops, you might be one of the lucky ones. My Telegram is in the description. Message me. Say SocialAi free key. If you're in the first 5, you get it. But even if you miss the free keys, $9. That's less than you spent on lunch today for a tool that will save you hundreds of hours this year. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, not later. Now. Go to the website. The link is in the description. Try it for yourself. Generate your first piece of content. And when you realize how powerful this is, upgrade to premium. $9. Unlimited content. Forever. If this video showed you something valuable, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We drop tools like this every single week. Leave a comment. Tell me what type of content you struggle with the most. I want to know. The website link is in the description. My Telegram is in the description. $9. First 5 people get it free. Don't sleep on this. Thanks for watching. I'm Wolver. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.